Dura-Gold premium scuff pads. Uses include fine finishing, cleaning and surface preparation, rust and oxidation removal, surface cleaning and prep, you can use pads on paint, metal, wood, glass, ceramics, plastics, and fiberglass. Three-dimensional non-woven abrasive pads made with cut fiber strands, coated with resin, durable aluminum oxide abrasive. Pads can be cut to meet project needs. Available in the following grids: scan to order. Dura-Gold also manufactures a full line of abrasives, sanding tools, polishers, and more. Take your project to the next level.